Good day. Today is 18th of March 2023, and I'll be discussing about Nasdaq and S&P 500, but mostly about the Nasdaq because something is going on in the Nasdaq and everybody is jumping up and down. Everybody is saying now Nasdaq is going to go up. Why? Because Fed is going to pivot. Fed is going to stop raising rate. Federal Reserve meeting, which is maybe going to start on, I think, on Tuesday. It is going to start and usher a new era, a new time, a new timeline or a history is going to be written on the Tuesday when Fed will pivot and will stop raising the rates. And now the technology stocks will go up and up only, and nothing will go down. Apple will go to 500, Nvidia will go to 700, Microsoft will go to 800. There are talks like this. So over in this video, I will quickly analyze Nasdaq, that what is going on, and we will formulate the plan. Again, I would not be talking about what the Fed is going to do, and again, I will not be talking about what Biden is going to do, and again, I will not be talking about what how Russia is going to impact technology stocks. I will not be talking about what Yellen has said. I will only be talking about what algorithm is saying, and we will move on from there. All right. Okay. So without wasting any time, I'm going to start sharing my charts. Okay. This is the Nasdaq chart, daily time frame. And what do we have here? What do we have here? And here at the bottom, special indicator also. And what do we have here? We have a hidden bearish divergence on weekly. And on the top of this, what do we have here? Can you see the discrepancy between these two indicators? That one is making lower high, but the other one is making higher high. You guys don't need to know what these indicators are, but you just note the discrepancy. And whenever there is a discrepancy, a reversal is about to happen. And this is a weekly chart. We have been correcting the decline so far. And I already told you in my previous email, oh sorry, not the email, in my previous video, that this was some sort of a W, and now we are doing a bigger X, and then we can do Y, right? And why this is X? Because of the hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. Maybe this sounds gibberish to you guys, because you guys don't know what wave analysis is. But I'm trying to do technical analysis in this video because I've been receiving comments that I don't explain why certain things are going to happen certain way. I just give you my algo and I just point the arrows. But you guys say you want explanation. So I'm just trying to explain the thought process behind the algo. What the algo is nothing. Algo, it has just quantified the sentiment which is necessary to trade the Elliott wave. Usually, Elliott wave has certain demerits, like where it doesn't follow certain rules, and anybody can draw any wave up and down, and you are then subjected to a lot of false signals. What I have done, what my algorithm has done, it has just quantified the sentiments. So even if there are two possibilities at any given point of time, we look at the sentiment and then we go with the most probable direction that there is. So on the weekly chart, although most of the people are drawing Elliott wave like this, that this is the bottom, this is the correction, and now this is the assure of a new era. But no, I'm telling you, this is some sort of a X correction. W, and this is the X, I just told you why it is X, and then we will get a Y. Oh my God. Anyway, so just look at the discrepancy between these two. And then I'm going to come back to the daily chart. Now, in my previous videos, I have already told you that it should go and touch this gray line. It cannot go up without touching the gray line. It must. And already I have told you that at least I expect it to do 1.270 correction extension and 1.618 extension of this X wave. Like I want it to go here and here. But of course, it's not going to go here and then straight away here. Of course it can, but because we have a very short window left for the decline, I think on 31st of March or 4th of April, we would end the declining window. Maybe I could be wrong, but I think we would just decline till here, and then we will get a little bit of bounce, and then we will go. You understand my point? Because every wave is broken into 3 waves. So this is what I'm expecting. In the down Y wave, I'm expecting W, X, Y, which will make the bigger W, X, Y. You understand? You understand the fractal that I'm trying to show you? That W, X, Y, and this will become bigger W, X, Y. This means a big decline in Nasdaq is coming. And if you don't know my algo, there is a big probability that we are going to break below this October low in Nasdaq. But we will not go in a straight line, obviously. We will go here and maybe we will bounce. We should bounce, but we will see. Like I said, trading is all about trading and forecasting is totally different. Trading is about going piece by piece. Forecasting is like just giving you a bigger direction, but you cannot trade the forecast. For trading, you need to trade piece by piece. For example, you will trade first this piece, and if you know how to trade, then maybe you can also take this risky piece up, and then you can also take the declining piece down, right? Just like this one, that you traded this declining wave, and then you long this, you shorted this, you long this. Now you are looking to short this, then you will try to long this, and then you will short this. You understand? So a big catastrophe is about to come on Nasdaq. Everybody is saying that Nasdaq, all stocks are falling. Russell is falling. S&P 500 is falling. YM, DJI is falling. But Nasdaq is going to go up. Why? Because technology stocks, they are immune to everything. Nothing can go wrong with the technology stocks. But we will see. We will see, because even if you don't know any algorithm, even if you just know basic Elliott wave, then, my friend, this looks like a bear flag, right? And this is some sort of a X. This is a W. This is a X, and now we are looking for Y with the smaller W, X, and the smaller Y. This is the explanation for the longer term WXY Elliott wave. But even if we don't trade Elliott wave, we need to come and touch this, then a bounce maybe, and then go down. So our bigger direction will always be down in Nasdaq. Any retracement is an opportunity to go short. 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 This is also an opportunity to go short, in my opinion. Let me pull up RTY, Russell. Look what is going on in Russell. Same structure like S&P 500 in this portion. And now it has broken down, and we should expect it to Russell to reach our targets of 1550. Yeah, 1550. With the second target of 1425. Russell also has the same structure, that is W X in this Y. It can still do like this, a bigger correction, and then it will go down. It can still do this. So on 31st of March, we will see what is going to happen. Till then, we expect it to go down. On 31st of March, if it doesn't break down, then it can do like a retracement up or a decline later on in the year. If you go to S&P 500, same thing. S&P 500, W, X, now W, X, Y. I'm expecting it to break down, break below this, and then bounce. That is, go one pip below this, just one pip. And then with proper risk management, we will look to long it, making a bigger WXY. Like this is the W, this is the X. Now this will be the Y. Now when it will break this bottom, it will become a bigger W. And it will do a bigger X and then bigger Y. You understand? WXY, WXY. WXY is wave in a bigger WXY. So it is very interesting. So if you are a long-term investor, there are no longs in the stock market, especially in the technology stocks. There will be long next year when we will end this W and then we will start to correct in a bigger X wave. Then you can say, okay, yeah, there are longs in the stock. But at that point of time, again, there will be people who will be saying, oh, the correction is over. Now we will go and make new all-time high. Good times are here. But no, we will just do a X correction of the bigger W and then we will usher into a Y decline. But again, this is what algorithm is saying. This is what the projection is saying. But again, trading is totally different than the projection and forecasting. So we will go step by step. So what is the next step we have? We have a decline coming till 31st of March. We have a decline coming in 31st of March. If you look at Microsoft, perfect. Microsoft printed a shooting star yesterday. Shooting star. And now we can expect Microsoft to do this by 31st of March, and then maybe a bounce a little bit before declining. or maybe it will continue to decline. But till 31st of March, we expect it to touch this gray line. Okay. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Next week, people are hoping that Fed is going to pivot. Fed is not going to raise any rates, but Fed will raise the rate as per the algorithm, and it will give you something which will start the decline. And before I like to end this video, I want to tell you that I am starting a new Discord channel for my viewers. I will share a limited invite link in this video. So any of you guys who want to have direct access and direct communication with me instead of communicating via email, which is very cumbersome. So any of you who want to have a direct communication with me instead of communicating via email, which is very troublesome for me, so you can directly communicate in the Discord server. So the invitation link is below. Make sure you share it with the friends, and if you have any questions, we can directly address them in the server, in the Discord. So I'll see you there then. So let's grow this community together. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also spread the words among your friends. Thank you very much.